ask you, do you agree or disagree? No, we cannot. Put your hands in your lap. All right, Milo's going to share with us how he solved the problem first. Be paying attention, as I stated. I may call on you, I may ask you, do you agree or disagree? You never know. So make sure you're paying attention. As well, also, you could use this strategy or use Josiah's strategy to help you if we ever do a problem, when we do a problem like this again, because we are. So make sure your listening ears are on. Make sure you're paying attention. Capiche? All right, Milo, take it away. What does 18 represent, Milo?
How many bubblegums she had all together.
Okay, how many bubble gums she had all together. And Milo, what did you do next?
Then I took away 6 each. I said 1, 2. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why did you take away 6? Why are you taking away 6?
Because when you said when you said Miss Galloway had 18 pieces of bubble gum, she wanted to put 6 pieces of bubble gum in each bag.
And you say you took away 6?
Yes.
And what did you do after you took away 6? So I'm sorry, before we even jump in that, so Milo was saying that how he solved was he made 18 first because Miss Galloway had 18 pieces of bubble gum. And then Milo said that he started to take away 6 because he knew that 6 pieces of bubble gum were going to go in each bag. So what did you do next after you took away your first 6?
I took away my first 6. I took away my second 6.
How did you do that?
I took away 2 away from the orange stick because 1 plus 2 equals 6.
Okay. And then you say you took away 2 from the orange stick and then the rest from that 10 stick?
I worked for this orange stick, and she needed three bags for each.
So you just paused because you told me that you took away 6. Did you take away another 6? A third 6?
I took away 3 6s.
Okay, so you're telling me that you took away a 6 from here, and then you say you took away 4 from here and 2 from there, and then you had this 6 left. Okay. So, Anala, do you agree or disagree with what Milo said about first taking away 6 here and then taking away this 6, and then being left with that 6? Do you agree with that? To solve how to solve this problem?
But it has to be 3 left.
Why do you say that?
His answer is 3 right there, and his answer is 0 right there.
0 right.
Right there.
But did he start with 18? Did he take away 6? Did he take away 6 again? Did he take away 6 again? So does that match that? So do you agree or disagree with what Milo did? Why do you agree? Why do you agree?
Because he took 3 6s like he did on his paper.
You said he did what?
He took 3 6s like he did on his paper.
So what Milo is saying that in order to solve this, you have to take away 3 6s. Like Anala said, this way you have to take away 3 6s to figure out how many bags. And what Milo did was he circled each time he took away 6, and then he also labeled 1, 2, 3. Good job, Milo. So, good job. His number sentence also matches his work on how he took away. He started with 18, took away 6 each time. In frames, did he use addition or subtraction? Did he use addition or subtraction? He used subtraction to solve this. So let's write subtraction. All right, let's give Milo 2 claps. All right, Milo, let's have Josiah solve. All right, Joe. Make sure your listening ears are on. I'm calling on you to ask if you agree or disagree or what do you think. All right, Joe, take us away. How did you solve?
Also,
Loud and proud.
I'll put
put 6 and 6 out. And why did you put 6 and 6 out?
Because
What does the 6 and 6 represent?
12.
Okay, and what did you do after you did the 6 and
Chance
6?
eyes.
I moved them together.
You put them together and you made what?
12.
Okay, and what did you do after that?
I put out 6 more.
And why did you put out 6 more, Josiah?
Because that makes 18.
And why is 18 important?
Because that's the
Because that's the who?
whole.
That's the whole. So what Josiah is saying is that he knew that 6 plus 6 was 12. So Josiah started from 12 and counted on until he got to 18. And he knew that 12 plus 6 made 18. All right, Josiah. Keep going. What did you do? Oh, and your answer was what? What did you get? How many bags did she need?
She needed 3.
She needed 3 bags. And you knew that because you saw the 3 6 sticks on your paper, correct? Or you knew that because you had 3 6 sticks. Is that true? Okay. So, why did you start, Josiah, why did you start with just 2 6s and not 3?
Because 6 is equal to 12.
Okay. You can't go use the bathroom. So Josiah solves by first adding 6 and 6 together because he knew that. And then he added on to the 12, and he knew that these 3 6s made 18. Think in your brain. Think in your brain. Did they solve the same way? Silent yes or no? Did they solve the same way? Silent yes or no? Now, hands back and up. When I say hands, how is Milo's way of solving different from Josiah's? How is Milo's way of solving this problem? How is it different from Josiah's? Hands. How is it different from Josiah's? Hands back and left, track Kinaya. How is it different?
Because Milo started with 18 and Josiah started with 12.
Who would like to add on? How is that different? Cadence.
Because Milo did subtraction and Josiah did addition.
So you said, Kinaya, that Milo started with 18, but Josiah started with 12. And then to add on, you saying that Milo did subtraction, so he took from 18. However, Josiah started with 12 and he added on to 18. So we know that we can solve a problem like this in 2 different ways. We can use subtraction or we can use addition to help us figure out how many bags or how many things somebody will need to solve the problem. Capiche?
Come on!
Let's give Josiah 2 claps. All right, Tiger. So we just seen how Milo and Josiah solved that work. As I said, we now know that we can evenly distribute an even number of objects by either using subtraction or addition. So in further times when we have problems like this, we can use either subtraction or addition. We can use subtraction of what? Subtraction of what?
Addition!
Yes, we can use subtraction or addition. And if we know the whole and if we know a part, we know that we have part of our answer. And then we just need to figure out what is our other part. It's a lot of parts, but we just need to figure out one piece of that answer. Capiche?
Kabosh!
All right, and that is it.